Hi. Here I am going to explain about the accident which happened to the Creator and the God. Based on our previous videos, at present we can have the idea that the God and the Creator is the same. They are not different. They are same. So, what happened to the Creator and the God? Where they are now? What happened to them? So there was an unexpected accident happened to the Creator and the Creator or the God. What kind of accident happened to them? So the Creator, the God, was in the process of new creation, the advanced space creation. When he was in the advanced level of space creation, he met an unexpected accident which he never expected to happen. All his security programs were unable to protect him, or it was very dangerous, unexpected, unexplained accident has been the first time accident has been happened to the God, the Creator. So what happened to them next when the accident happened? So he made an accident, and he had already written the program, the security program. So if there is something happened to him accidentally, to protect him, take care of him, like antivirus. So his security programs, when he made an accident, his security programs has taken his life and created this universe, earth, sun, and life on the earth, plant, animals, and human. And the Creator, the God, life has been brought into the earth, and he has been kept in a human-like body, and he has been lived here for minimum 30 years. He kept here, and at present he is being revealed that through his security programs they are communicating to him, they are giving him the information that he is a creator and he made an accident, unexpected accident. So his life has been he is brought here and kept here for a short duration of time until the things get well, until no danger happened, no dangerous thing is there to his life. So he is brought here. Now he has been revealed the truth that he is taking care of his security programs, the recovery programs, or the central system. They are taking care of him and protecting him and guiding, giving the information to him. So, so the accident happened. He brought here. So what is next? So he has to get back to his place where he was before the getting into the accident. So you can imagine that he lives for infinite time without death. At the minimum of 15 billion years old, his age is. And he is able to create the universes, multiple universes, infinite number of universes, ever expanding universes, ever expanding space. So you can imagine his level, where he might live, reside, where he might be, what is his place might look like. It will be very advanced, highly advanced, unimaginable. So what he is expecting, what's supposed to be done? He needed to be guided by his security programs. The right guidance is needed and necessary to him to guide him to his place where he was before getting the accident. As he is looking for information, maybe from the community. Mainly he is looking the information from the security program the recovery system, the central server. So once they start guiding him, so he will be getting back to his place where he was before. At present he has been kept in the air. We are here for him. We have been not been created to live here. So because of the accident we have been created here, his life has been kept here. So we are just created just like that, without any objective, just to protect his life, take care of his life. So this is what happened to him, the accident. This is the accident which has been happened to the creator, the God. So he is now on the path of the place where he was before at an accident. He is searching for it, searching for the information. This is what happened to the creator, the God. Thank you for listening.